Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing something I've been really excited about. This is Saavasci Warrior by Junaid Jamshed. The packaging is elegant and minimal, definitely gives that premium feel without trying too hard. And here it is, such a sleek bottle, matte black with gold accents, feels bold but classy. Now this is where it gets interesting. This fragrance has two atomizers of the same fragrance. The first one is the tip of the axe that has its own separate atomizer, and then if you disconnect the handle from the tip of the axe, you get another atomizer. So this is a pretty unique feature that I haven't seen in a lot of other fragrances.